In today's lesson, I'm sharing with you 5 good bass exercises you can use to improve your speed, coordination, and finger flexibility on bass. My favorite exercise is number 5. The 5th exercise, I reserve it at the end of this lesson. But let me know at the comment section your own favorite bass exercise. So with that being said, pick up your bass. Let's get started. The first exercise, you are expected to run it across your fingerboard on different keys, starting from your C to the last key on all the 12 keys in order to increase your speed, coordination, and finger flexibility. So this is the exercise. Speed. 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 Try run this across all your fingerboards. Exercise number 2, I learned this exercise from Jaco Pastorius. It's very good on finger flexibility and coordination. So ensure you run this exercise on all your fingerboard and all your 12 keys. Let's take this exercise. Speed. Speed. Try run this across all your fingerboards. Exercise number 3 is also good and is recommended for every beginner bass player out there. You will really love this exercise, so keep practicing this exercise in order to improve your speed and flexibility. Speed. Check out this exercise number 4. Very good on flexibility and finger coordination. Speed. 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 Okay, from the start of the video I told you number 5 is my favorite exercise. I love this exercise so much. It has helped me improve finger flexibility and coordination on bass. And I also recommend you to do this exercise every day across your fingerboard and all your 12 keys. Then let me know at the comment section your own favorite bass exercise. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends, subscribe and hit the like button. So let's take the exercise number 5. Speed. 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 Try run this across all your fingerboards.